Good morning and welcome. Today we're going to recreate the Starbucks pumpkin cream iced chai latte. So let's get straight into it. So right now I'm going to take you through exactly what we need. I'll show you your kit list. I'm going to recreate this completely dairy free. So we're going to go for oat milk. We're going to go for this little gem here, which I got from Tesco's from Oatly, which is a whippable creamy oat. So it's the same as double cream. So that is to create our cold cream that's going to go on top. We also need some chai syrup. We're going to need the pumpkin spiced. I'm going to use the whipper. There we go. That's what it's like inside. And that is just to create the cold foam. I'm going to need a bowl because I'm going to mix the cold foam up first. I've never done this before, so this is the first time. And then some ground cinnamon to go on top. And of course, my very trusted travel mug. So although this is a non-coffee drink, non-coffee ice drink I should say, you're more than welcome to put a couple of shots of espresso in. I've done that quite often. Make the chai tea dirty. It tastes great, it's a great coffee to have. Give it a try. So here we go. I'm going to give it a try. I'll pour in the cream. And because this is whippable, we don't want it to be whipping up too thick because then we won't be able to pour it on top of the latte. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a little bit of oat milk just so that we keep it thin. And then here we go. 2, 3, I'll see what that's like. I'll put 3 pumps in. Maybe some more. Okay, that's looking good. It's not got the strong orange colour that you get in Starbucks, but I think that's just down to the fact that the make of pumpkin spice that I've got hasn't got that bright orange colour in it. But it still tastes as good. Okay, so I'm going to put that in the whipper and see what it does. Right, so I'm ready now. I'm going to pour this in, saying I need about that much. There we go. I'm going to keep an eye on this. I'll show you. See if it is whipping up there nicely already. There we go. We're going to make sure that it doesn't whip up too much and we get that nice cold cream consistency that you get in Starbucks. Right, so the next thing we're going to do is put in the chai. In typical Starbucks style, we're going to put the syrup in the iced latte in the bottom, and that's where the shots would go as well. And then we're going to add our oat milk. Like I said, we're going to make this completely dairy free. There we go. Give it enough room for the cold cream, which is saying that it's done. Some bubbles, I'm just going to bang those bubbles out. And here we go, I'm going to pour that on top. And so the only thing that it doesn't have is that really rich colour. There we go. But it's going to taste great, I'm sure. Right, one thing we're not going to forget to do is put the cinnamon on top, which I nearly forgot, to be fair. Cinnamon on top makes a huge difference to the flavour. There we go. And I'm going to go for our lid and the straw. There we are. There we go. Okay, so here we have the finished product, which is the pumpkin spiced chai tea iced latte. Reproduction of a Starbucks product that I bought this morning on my daily school drop-off. So I'm going to go straight in for the taste test. I'm going to give it a bit of a stir so I get all those nice flavours. Oh, that's lovely. That is, I would probably say, 95% match with the Starbucks product. Yeah, really good. Really nice flavour of chai coming through. Lovely smooth oat milk. It's not worth buying the cheaper oat milk. I always think the Alpro oat milk is far superior in steaming and using it in ice drinks as well. But yeah, amazing. Love it. Love it. I should have done that this morning and saved myself £5. So I really hope you enjoyed watching me make this pumpkin spice iced chai tea. It's a reproduction again of the Starbucks product. I made a visit to Starbucks drive-thru this morning. I picked one of those up, had a taste of it. You don't need to buy it from Starbucks in a dairy-free. I only make the dairy-free because it suits me. I prefer the taste. But you can use it with regular milk. You can use it with cream as well if you didn't want to put the alternative milk in the cream on top. You could just use a double cream from Tesco's, Aldi or wherever else you want to buy it from. But yeah, if you enjoyed making this, if you have a go at it, give us a comment, let us know how you got on. If you've got any tips, if you try the one from Starbucks, then try and make the one that I've just made, and you think actually it needs another ingredient in it, let me know. I'll have another go, post another video and give it a try. Other than that, give us a like, subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you so much for watching.